Hello everyone. So this is the summary of the poem Futility by Wilfred Owen. So this poem was written by British soldier Wilfred Owen during First World War. This poem was published in 1918. This poem is about how life, which is nature's creation, is wasted in wars. In this poem, the poet is lamenting the death of a soldier who has died in the war. So this is the text of the poem. Move him into the sun, gently its touch awoke him once at home, whispering of fields half sown, always it woke him, even in France until this morning and this snow. If anything might rouse him now, the kind old sun will know. So when the poem opens, we see that the speaker is instructing somebody to place the dead body of a soldier under the light of the sun. Because speaker says that this light of the sun would wake him up in the past so that he could go to his fields to plant seeds in those fields. And then further poet says that this sunlight would wake him up every morning until this snowy morning where he is lying dead on the battleground of France. Okay. And then in the last lines poet says that only sun knows who can wake him up. Come to the next lines. Think how it wakes the seeds woke once the clays of a cold star. Our limbs so dear achieved, our sides full loved, still warm, too hard to stir. Was it for this the clay grew tall, or what made fatuous sunbeams toil to break our sleep at all? So in further lines, the speaker says that we should think how sun wakes up the seeds by growing them up, and how life came upon this earth, which was a cold and empty planet. And now these dead bodies of the soldiers are too hard to move anywhere because they are lying cold, and it is too hard to move their dead bodies. Okay. So in the next lines, the poet says, actually he asks another question, that did we get life so that we could die like this in the wars? And why would the stupid sunlight even wake up this earth? So he is lamenting that why did we get life on this earth if we are going to spoil our life like this in the battlegrounds. Okay. So in the last line, he says, that why would we get life on this earth? And the poem ends here. So in this poem the poet is lamenting the death of the soldier and is full of pain and anguish because he thinks that losing life in the wars is meaningless.